Dear friends, welcome back to your channel Reach Clinics. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to help you understand what are the points you need to keep in mind when buying the right health insurance product. I'm also going to present to you a health insurance product that if you like, trust me, there's quoting available today. So you do not have to be suffering with the same old, stinky and outdated policy. You can just give me a call on the number flashing on your screen and I would be happy to help you port out. So without wasting any more time, let's just dive deep in. A little bit background, friends, about who we are. Glennis and me are veterans in the financial industry. Glennis started her journey in 1979 with the Life Insurance Corporation of India. And since then, she has touched the lives of more than 8,000 families globally. We help people design and buy the right health insurance product. We work with them to understand their unique needs and we have a consulting approach so that we help them understand the product and then make an informed buy. Glenis also works with life insurance and health insurance companies, helping them understand what are the needs of the consumer and helping them design the best product. So you're in very, very professional and trusted hands, and we have helped more than 8,000 families globally buy the right health insurance product. So if you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can continue to get these very interesting videos as we continue to develop these series. And also do show us some love by sharing these videos. You would be doing us a great favor to help us reach out to more fellow Indians across the globe and help them protect their families and their loved ones by buying the right financial products. So I'm going to be deep diving into the product. It's called Reassure. Now, Reassure is a product which was designed keeping in mind the needs of the 21st century. As you see, during these COVID times, many people took medical treatment, and when they got hospitalized, their horrible insurance policies were exposed. Many features that I'm going to be showcasing to you will blow your mind, and I'm sure as this video progresses, you want to be finding the possible reasons to port out from your existing health insurance cover and consider reasons to refer a friend, family member to us so that they too could port out. So, what is a great health insurance policy? What makes a health insurance policy great? Firstly, when it comes to inpatient care, the health insurance policy should ensure that you are put in a single private AC room. It should pay for the medical practitioner's fees, it should pay for the investigation tests, and there should be no capping whatsoever. Similarly, when it comes to daycare, it's very, very important that your health insurance policy cover all daycare expenses. I wouldn't want to be fooled by buying a health insurance policy that does not cover all daycare. There are many health insurance policies out there that say we cover 300 per daycare, we cover 500 daycare. These are just policies designed and they fool people. When you land up making that very important claim, you realize that the daycare treatment that you are sorting to take is not covered. This policy Reassure also covers alternative treatments like Ayush, Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy. Domiciliary treatment is covered up to full sum assured. Now, this is a very, very important feature. Modern day treatments. Guys, trust me, I can't be stressing. Your stinky old policy that you have from your corporate or the one you bought from an agent who was an amateur, he would not have told you that today robotic surgeries, radio surgeries, stem cell therapy are not covered. Reassure covers modern day treatments. Another great solid reason to port out. Hospitalization. No limit on room rent and ICU charges. Fantastic, right? No limit. Covered up to full sum assured. Why would you want to stick around with a policy that does not cover single private AC room and you do not want any surprises later on? So look at your existing policy and see whether this does something better than Reassure. Pre and post 60 and 180 days straight, no discussion. So you get into hospital, you come out, and we continue to cover you for 180 days. You can work with me to get your bills reimbursed. Living organ donor transplant. In case of an organ transplant, Reassure helps you settle your medical bills. Emergency ambulance, another great feature to consider buying Reassure. Home care treatments. Stay very assured that we indemnify the medical expenses incurred on the insured person's treatments taken at home. So things like chemotherapy and dialysis covered from the comfort of your home, guys. Booster benefit. Now Reassure is very unique, and I'm going to be coming to the feature of it. Okay, the booster benefit also is great feature. You don't make a claim in the first year, we reward you with 50% no claim bonus. So you bought a 10 lakh policy, you didn't make a claim. Next year you're going to see your sum assured at time of renewal once you've paid it has gone up to 15 lakhs. And subsequent year you didn't make a claim, another 15% no claim bonus up to a maximum 100%. This helps you tackle medical inflation. Now this is the feature that needs the loudest applause. Reassure. If you go through your stinky old policy or you talk to a friend, you will be realizing that most people buy health insurance policies, but they do not realize that a critical illness or a terminal illness is where you need your policy to stand by you. And you'll be surprised to learn that most of the health insurances out there, for the same illness, they do not cover. So let me give you an example. Mr. X went into hospitalization. He had a 10 lakhs policy from an X company. He got his chemotherapy done, he exhausted his base sum assured. When he went for the next chemo session, he was denied a claim. Reassure, Glennis and me have addressed this problem. You get reinstatement for the same illness, and it's unlimited times in the year. Not only for you, but for your entire family. Shared accommodation cash benefit. Hospitalizations can sometimes lead to occupying a shared room, and in this case, we provide cover by paying a daily cash amount for each continuous and completed period of 24 hours of hospitalization, provided the shared room is taken in a hospital within our network and there has been 48 hours of hospitalization. So, if you're taking a shared room for whatever reason, we understand this and we give you the benefit, we give you a daily cash to compensate. Health checkup. You're growing older, your body is going through various changes. Don't you want to know what's going on in your body? So many people land up, paying from their own pocket for health checkups. We understand that health checkups are important, and that's why for a family floater we give up to 10,000 rupees for a free health checkup. You don't like the center where I am sending you to? Please feel free to go to health checkup of your choice and just come to me the reimbursement route, and I will settle up to 10,000 rupees back. Now, second medical opinion. There are times when somebody needs second medical opinion. He thinks he has a dreaded disease or a terminal illness, and he wants to understand. We allow a second opinion to be covered. Live healthy benefit. Many of you out there are running, you're taking care of your health, you're going to the gym, we give you discounts up to 30% in the form of Live Healthy benefit. There's an app that you need to install, and for every number of points you get, for every run, for every step, so we reward you. This is a great feature, guys, to help you reduce your renewal premium. Auto debit renewal, 2.5% discount when you opt for an auto renewal. I think these are great features that help you reduce your future premium. Now, when you buy a policy, lock in the premium. Lock it in. The second year with a 7.5% discount, and for 3 years with a 15% on the third year discount. These are great ways. Why let cash sit idle? Pay for it in advance. And if you're worried about the tax benefit, let me tell you that you can take the claim appropriately in the second and the third year. So do not worry, you will not lose your Section 80D benefit. And for all you guys out there, I think COVID has proven that without doctors out there, we are all helpless. So Niva Bupa understands this, and they have come up with a 5% discount benefit for doctors. So you know any doctors out there and you're grateful to them for helping them save lives, and you know that they don't have the best product, connect them with the Sigma. I'm also going to be doing future videos in the coming time to help you understand the very important personal accident cover. Now, personal accident is a hidden gem, guys. For just 1,000 rupees, you can get covered for 10 lakhs. That means for as little as 4,000 rupees, you can get covered for upwards of 50 odd lakhs. And there's a feature in this personal accident called temporary total disability. I call it a salary replacement plan. Due to an accident, if you have exhausted all your leaves and you're not able to go to work, we pay you 2% of the sum assured that you buy up to 100 weeks as salary. I will be doing a detailed video on this in the coming days. Hospital cash. This is an optional ride as well. I'll be doing another video on this. Okay, we realize that your journey of getting better is not yours, and there are loved ones who need to spend time with you and be by your side. But what about those who don't have loved ones? We pay you basically for a minimum period of 48 hours of continuous hospitalization, post which we pay you up to 4,000 rupees a day. So you can actually keep a nurse or use that money, to ensure that there is somebody to take care of you. Now this needs the loudest applause. I think this is where the credit goes to Niva Bupa and people like Glenis who have brought this feature to life. Safeguard. How many times have you guys landed up making a minor claim and lost your no claim bonus? So now with Safeguard, up to 50,000 rupees will not be considered a claim and your no claim bonus will not be reversed. How many times have you worried that the non-consumable items like gloves, nebulization kits, and oxygen masks are not covered for? Well, now with Safeguard, we pay the whole bill. And the biggest feature, consumer price, inflation, the topic of my video, and I'm going to be stressing this. Inflation is real. Please wake up. A cataract used to cost 30,000 rupees about 5 years back. Today it's going to cost you upwards of 60,000 per eye. And 5 years from now, we do not know. Medical inflation is real. So if you're going to be unrealistic and not buy adequate cover, you're going to be the loser. As they say, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. And Niva Bupa Reassured does a great job with the Safeguard Rider. The Consumer Price Index, the government publishes this data. Inflation is real, currently at 6 odd percent. So this sees that your sum assured would also go up in equal terms. Now zonal pricing, guys. I think we live in zones, and a Bombay, Pune are comparatively different cities. A Bombay is much more expensive, and a Pune is much more cheaper. So it's not fair that a Pune or a Mysore should pay a higher premium. So zonal pricing is what Niva Bupa has done, by which you do not pay the expensive pricing. Bombay, Pune, or Delhi are not the same. Pune would have a lower premium compared to Delhi or Mumbai. Coming to entry ages are from 18 to 65, and dependent children definition is 30 years of age. Now, the Income Tax Act 1961 also provides you a tax benefit under Section 80D, which means that for 25,000 for self and family, the definition of self and family is your wife and your kids, and dependent parents another 50,000. Make use of this tax benefit. 75,000 is a great amount to buy health insurance. Please use the section. And this is another feature which needs an applause: assured policy renewal for life. Once you are insured with us, you will always remain our customer, subject to continuous premium payment. We assure you, this is a great feature. Your faltu, your inferior policy, would not have this documented. No third party interference, direct claim settlement. So we have in-house TPS. So you will be talking to a professional doctor most probably if you have any queries with regard to your claim. And the claim is completely digital in Niva Bupa. I will be doing a separate video on the claim process. And coming to it's completely cashless. So the process is completely cashless, and there's a vast variety of hospital network across the country. Should you not like the policy what you have bought, there's a 15-day free look period, so feel free to reach out and return the policy. So I hope all of you are liking this video, and lastly, coming to the waiting periods, there's a 36 months waiting period since the inception of the policy for pre-existing. So diabetes, hypertension and all fall in the pre-existing bucket. There's a 36 months waiting period for it. And there's an initial waiting period of 30 days unless it's an accident. Accidents are covered from day one. And then there are 17 odd illnesses which cannot come overnight because these are in the 24-month specific and waiting periods. Okay. And lastly, permanent exclusions are there. Obviously you cannot be claiming for weight control, change of gender treatments, cosmetic and plastic surgeries, hazardous sports that cause self-injury, things like which are breaching of law, these are not covered. Self-abuse, like due to alcoholism, and dietary plans, unproven treatments, infertility treatments. This plan also doesn't cover maternity. So if you want a maternity plan, I have a different plan that I would be talking about in the coming videos. Circumcision is not covered, and dental is not covered. You know, sleep disorders not covered. So these are some of the things which are not covered. I'm just running through briefly for your understanding. I will be doing a separate video on the claim process. So looking forward to having you reach out to us if you have any queries. Now, coming back to the topic, I'm sure all of you love the video, and I'm sure all of you are going to like, share, and subscribe. Guys, it's very, very important that you like, share, and subscribe and share this video. It's a lot of effort, to come up with these videos, and I would really like it if you could share these videos. So hit the bell icon so that you don't miss future videos, and show us some love by sharing these videos. Looking forward to hearing back from you. The numbers flashing on your screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much.